We're out here today combining corn. Fill the wagons, we unload into the semi and wait for the next semi to show up while we're picking more corn. So I'm standing here in the wagon waiting. And we have a little bit of field here. Get this one knocked out and then head over to the big field and get a lot done today. Thought I'd show you how we got this all set up. We got our auger here. I don't know how long it is, probably 30 feet or so. And you take this shovel here and you dig yourself a little hole in the ground. And then you set the auger here and you pull the tractor up real close. You can see the indent in the ground where all the compaction is. And you just dump from here to here up into the semi. And when the semi comes, he pulls through here, out in the field, swings around right underneath. There's a little bit that. So those metal bars on the top of the semi, they kind of bounce off and fall out. And that's why that's there. So we haul all the wagons with both 4450s. And here's the reason why we don't put the duals on right away. Because if you have a dual on this tire, you have to be right up against this. You're going to be running that over. And that's not a good thing. So this is the only farm we kind of load out with a semi. So once we're done, we'll put the duals on. And then we can haul corn at the home farm because we don't have that quite done yet. We can haul corn at the home farm with duals because we have the swinging hopper on that auger. So that's not a big deal. That's why we don't put the duals on right away. This J&M is full. I don't know about that one. Yeah, we'll have to see. Anyway, that Parker wagon there and that Parker wagon there is not ours. Borrowing it from the neighbor who doesn't grow corn or crops anymore. And in that wagon, we have borrowed from another neighbor who doesn't grow corn. They don't hold much. We don't really use them, but they're nice to have when, let's say it's Sunday and you're combining and you can't sell corn. You can just load all the wagons plumb full and wait till Monday. Or if for some reason the semi doesn't show up, which the last few years they've been good at it, for the most part, you can fill those up too. So, like I said, we don't own that Parker, we don't own that J&M little one, we don't own that Parker. So, we only own this J&M, that J&M, the Demco, and the Easy Trail down by the combine. So, this summer we noticed the corn wasn't very good here because of compaction, so I think we're going to chisel it 3-4 times just in this one area. and see if that helps, because you can see the dirt's pushed up. But what do? You gotta load the semi somewhere, and this one's a nice spot. They don't have to go down a hill, they don't have to do anything, right on top of the ridge. So we did 4 semis today, 5th one's coming soon, and yeah, pretty good day. Oh, I forgot to mention, we got the 40 for 40 on the auger. Pretty easy job. So that's about it. We should get this farm done tomorrow if everything goes right. It's supposed to rain a lot tomorrow night, so hopefully we can get her done. Still picking. It's almost 7 o'clock at night. We've been going, or I've been going since I think we started around 9:30 this morning. We got 5 semi loads out, and we're gonna fill all the gravity wagons before we leave tonight, so that'll be another 2 semis. So pretty good. I think this is most we ever got done in quite a while. Some people might say 7 semi loads in a full day is terrible, and they probably get it done before breakfast, but for our combine, our head, the hillsides, and all the short rows we had to deal with today, I think we did pretty good. Still got a couple more wagons to fill. I think we got 1 big one left, and then it's a bunch of those small ones, which doesn't really take that long to fill those. So just cruising along. Should be done by 8. So hour and 15 minutes should be done, I hope. But you never know. So just cruising along.